Hey, how you doing? Welcome to Tracy City, Tennessee. Man, I tell you what, man, you never know what you might find in these small towns. The store behind us back here is Henry Flurry and Sons. They've been in business since 1905. And I tell you what, the same family still runs it 120 years later. It's a great little store. They got a convenience store, got the best bologna sandwich you ever eat, you can get in there. And the walls are covered with memorabilia from the past. If you get a chance, come down here to Tracy City and check them out, because you never know what you might find in Tennessee, South Cumberland.